Salve to Discipuli. This is Mickey Strabetti, and this lesson is going to be about stage 21 forming adverbs from your first and second declension adjectives. First, let's do a quick review. What is an adverb? Well, an adverb modifies or gives more information about a verb. It explains how something is done or performed. The girl quickly ran around the track. The student diligently studied. The artist skillfully sculpted the clay. So all of these words that are underlined describe how something is done. There are several different categories of adverbs that we've learned so far. There are some adverbs of time. So tum means then, mox soon, jam already or now, hodie today, and nunc also means now. Adverbs of place. Hic means here, ibi there, unde from where, ubi where. Adverbs of manner, degree, or cause. Quam can be how, so, or than. Tom, so. Paine, nearly or almost. Cur, why. Ergo, therefore. Ita, so. All right. Those are all examples of adverbs that have a unique spelling. They are adverbs by nature. Just like in English, how we can take almost any adjective and put an ly on the end of it to make it an adverb, Latin can do something similar. They can take almost any adjective and convert it into an adverb. The way that you do that for your 1-2 adjectives is you chop off the ending and add an accented e. So carus, which means dear, becomes care, dearly. Lightus becomes lite, so happy becomes happily. And peritus, skilled, becomes perite, skillfully. Now, forming superlative adverbs, exact same thing. Chop off the ending and add an accented e. So ferocissimus becomes ferocissime. So very fierce becomes very fiercely. Crudelissimus becomes crudellissime. Very cruel becomes very cruelly. Diligentimus becomes diligentissime. Gravissimus becomes gravissime. All right, so let's do some practice. Are you looking at an adverb or an adjective? Memor was a very hard master. Would that be durissimus or durissime? The way that you can answer this is you need to ask yourself, is it describing a noun? Meaning, is it describing memor? Or is it describing what he's doing? And answering the question, how? In this case, it's describing memor, so it is an adjective, durissimus. The merchant always treated his customers honestly. So honestly is describing how the merchant is treating his customers, so it would be probe. The senator very generously promised a large donation. So this is answering the question of how, so that would be liberalissime. A cautious man proceeds slowly. Okay, cautious. Is this describing how he's proceeding, or is it describing the man? This one's a little tricky. And this one is actually an adjective because it is describing the man. It's the cautious man. All right, so quick review. In English, most adverbs end in ly. In Latin, many adverbs have a unique spelling. You might want to go back and copy down that list. But actually, there was 3 different lists actually. To form an adverb from an adjective, though, you just replace the 1-2 ending with an e. Same thing with superlatives. Replace the 1-2 ending with an e, and then you convert any adjective in Latin to an adverb. Vale to discipuli.